This is the next step in preparing to cut the pinion gears. What I did was I took, on the last video I did the bore of this, did the bore, cut the length, rough cut the OD, and then what I'm doing now is I have this mandrel that I'm turning. This mandrel is running within a half a thousandths, and I slipped and it's got a split in it, so I slip it on here, tighten this down, which expands the split, and then I could turn the OD, and I just finished the third one, so this OD is now correct. I have to do one more, but I just wanted to give you an update. And the next time you'll see a video, I'll actually be setting it up in the Bridgeport, starting to cut the individual teeth on the pinion gears. So it's moving along a little slower than I expected because there's a lot of steps, and I don't want to make a mistake and not get the right OD. I have a micrometer here, and I'm going to mic it up, and I'm looking for 1773, and take this off, and there's the measurement, 1773. That matches the original gears, which I happen to have right here. This is the original gear, and that just fits right on there real nice. Let me show you. That's the original gear that I'm using to so I did match the correct OD, and I have one more to go, and then I'll be setting the rotary table up, and you'll be seeing the next step. So that's it for this video.